everyone, Stacy Holman with Positive Chaos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a stretch bracelet. Very simple to make, very wearable, and pretty much one size fits all with stretch bracelets. Now I'm using bead-align elasticity, 0.8 millimeter, which the cord will fit nicely in the bead hole here. You don't want the cord, you don't want too much wiggle room in here between the cord and the sides of the beads, or else the beads could shift against each other and lose its round shape, the bracelet form. But you also don't want it too tight, or else it's really going to wear on the stretch cord and it could break easily. So I have to find the end. All right, there it is. So I have a 6 1/4 inch bracelet. So I'm going to cut about a foot. I am not good at measuring, at eyeing it. I'm good at measuring if I had a ruler, but not at eyeballing it. And the first important step is to stretch it. You want to pre-stretch the elastic cord, because if you don't, and you're wearing your stretch bracelet a lot, over time it's going to stretch, right? Stretch cord stretch, but you don't want it to stretch too much to where there's going to be, over time there's going to be big spaces between the beads. So you want it to keep its form as long as possible. So you want to do this. This is very, very important. Plus it makes it a lot easier to work with. All right, and normally I'd have a bead stopper at the other end, but I don't have one with me. If you sign up for our community, to join our community, you will get a free ebook. It's called Make a Bracelet in Under 15 Minutes. It's very, very detailed. It's a great beginner's guide. But if you've been making jewelry for a while, then it's good for inspiration and maybe introduce you to more products. So just go to stacyholman.com. It's my Positive Chaos blog, and just sign up to join our community, and you'll receive a welcome email first, and then the ebook will follow. All right, so I don't have any pattern with these beads. I'm just going to string them. It's very, very simple, very easy to do. So I'll just string on another bead. Oh. All right, so that's what you're going to do. You're just going to string on your beads until you get the size you need. And then I will come back and show you how to tie it off. All right, so I finished stringing my bracelet. And you'll notice that you do have a lot of cord left, which is what you want. Because of the tying process, you want that extra grip. So you're going to tie a square knot and then a surgeon's knot. So a square knot right over left, and then left over right. So this is your square knot. All right, and then to make a surgeon's knot, you're just going to go through the loop one more time. All right, oops, it's more difficult looking through a camera. All right, so there's your surgeon's knot. And now you're just going to really pull tight. Pull it tight. You don't want the knot coming out. And then you're going to pull all 4 sides. Really pull. I mean, I'm like grinding my teeth pretty much because I'm pulling very, very tight. All right. Really grip. Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay. Okay, and then for extra security, if you want to put glue in there, you're more than welcome to. If not, you just cut off your cords and you have your bracelet.